Hmm?
Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about some of the linking verbs, helping verbs, or auxiliary verbs. Have you heard about them? Well, all three are the same. In English, there are so many linking verbs or helping verbs. The ones shown here are some of them. And today we will learn about am, is, and are. Do you know how to identify them and how to use them? To make it easier for you to understand, we have grouped them in a table. For singular nouns in present simple tense, we use am and is. If it is present simple tense with plural nouns, then we should use are. What do am, is, and are have in common? Can you guess? Yes, you're right. They indicate the present tense. They are forms of the verb to be. Do you know what words go with am, is, and are? Let's look at some examples. Am. Am is always used with I. For example, I am Rashida. I am a girl. I am 17 years old. I am happy. Did you see that? Am is always used with I. Is. Is used with he, she, and it. Remember, we use is for one person, one object, or one animal. For example, Roshan is a boy. He is playing cricket. Apurva is a girl. She is painting. It is a wonderful day. We also use is after singular noun or pronoun. For example, this boy is a swimmer. The car is blue. When we are talking about one person, one object, or one animal, then we use is. When we talk about many objects, we don't use is. We use are. Let's see more about are. What about are? When is are used? Are is used with plural nouns like we, you, and they. For example, Johan and Zach are students. They are at school. They are studying. Are you studying? Yes, we are. We are studying. Let's revise it once again. And after that, we are going to have a quiz time. In present simple tense, for singular nouns, we use am and is. In present simple tense, for plural nouns, we use are. That's right. Isn't it easy? It's quiz time. Can you try to complete the sentences? You have to use am, is, or are to complete each sentence. Let's start. I fond of books. fond of books. Very good. I am fond of books. Let's see the other question. They dash my father and mother. Yes, you're right. They are my father and mother. He dash good at mathematics. He is good at mathematics. You dash my best friend. You are my best friend. We dash in the same class. We are in the same class. She dash a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. It dash my English book. It is my English book. I dash too young to work. I am too young to work. Very good. Good job, guys. Let's play another game. I'm going to tell you few sentences and you have to guess whether this sentence is correct or not. Let's get started. The water in the glass is hot. The water in the glass is hot. What do you think? Is it correct or not? It's correct. We is proud of our victory. We is proud of our victory. Is this sentence correct? No, this sentence is wrong. The correct sentence will be, we are proud of our victory. We are proud of our victory. Let's see the next sentence. Richa am very fond of her toys. Richa am very fond of her toys. Is this sentence correct? No, this sentence is wrong. Do you know why? Because am is used only with I. So what is the correct answer? The correct sentence is, Richa is very fond of her toys. Richa is very fond of her toys. I am an artist. I am an artist. Do you think this is correct? Yes, you're right. This is correct. I am an artist because am is used only with I.